Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this Samsung. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS launcher. Then you need to click on this app and download it from this developer. After that, you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and allow. So while using the app, allow. And now, swipe up and choose OK. Then click on Home button and go into Device Settings. After that, select Apps and click on Choose Default Apps. Then select Home app and tap on iOS 1. After clicking Got it, as you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to though, you can always switch between those layouts by going into the same app settings and tapping on One U Home or iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!